Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you a 2002 Camaro. It's a 35th anniversary, 6-speed SLP exhaust, and I have a copy of the window sticker. 13,000 miles. I just slapped the car, I know. If you guys have any questions about this ride, click on the link below. We'll be able to give you full details on financing and transport, along with underside shots to help you decide if this is the right ride for you. Subscribe, please. All right, we're going to start off with the overall condition. This is easily an 8.5 out of 10. It shows extremely well. It has the 35th anniversary striping, and it has 13,000 miles. Tires look like they are the original Goodyear Eagles. Let's see. Yep, so they are 2002s, and these are the original tires that it came with. Original paint throughout. Headlights are proper. Open up the hood. The engine bay is extremely clean. It's powered by an LS1. I believe it does 1 million horsepower. You can see that it's pretty much original. There's no modifications. As I look at the driver's side, it's extremely clean. You have your 35th anniversary badge right there. Interior is specific for the 35th anniversary with the gray cloth inserts and the 35th stitching up top. Steering wheel is perfect. Shifter feels great, so it has a Hurst shifter. Radio works as it should, and the AC is ice cold. Does have a power top, which works as it should, and then we do have the parade portion, which we left inside the shop for the test drive because it's hot. The rear end is extremely clean. Your graphics for the 35th anniversary flow throughout the vehicle. You do have a Camaro insignia right here, and then you do have the SLP tips, which you see doesn't like. I love it. It does have the factory tires on it with the original wheels. Wheels are in great shape. Carfax is right here. So it's a 2-owner, and the mileage is true. 13,445 was the last mileage, and then there's some service history in here. All the window regulators work as they should. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. We're inside right now. You can see that the dash is extremely clean. Glass shows well with no cracks or imperfections, and then you do have your convertible top, which opens up easily. You click these buttons right here, and then there's a button right here to put your top back, and it does operate as it should. If you want to look at the gallery, umbrella, thank you. If you want to look at the gallery, you're more than welcome to. Just click on the link below. Okay, umbrella down. We're gonna take this for a spin so you guys can decide if this is the right ride for you. Steering wheel's perfect. It was recently serviced before list up, so you don't have to do anything. You can fly here and drive home. I would recommend putting new tires on it because the tires are from 2002. But that's really it. If you're looking for a time capsule, I got you covered. Windows all work. You've got your fog lights here, so when your lights are on, that should illuminate, and it does. Lights work as they should. We're gonna stop at the gas station because we're pretty low on fuel, so we're gonna go to the racetrack and we will continue with our test drive. I appreciate it. Thank you. Umbrella does not come with the vehicle, no. We're gonna test it out right now. I'm going into first. It's nice and smooth. Second, no chatter. I'm actually surprised that the tires feel like there's no dead spot in them. Smooth. All right, let's see how she feels. We'll do second gear. Feels good. Smooth. Has a typical Camaro lift in the front end. Long gears. It's very comfortable. There's a race car coming up. We're gonna turn left here. I'll test it out as best as I can with these tires. All right, we're in first gear. feels good. It's pretty fast for a 2002, 335 horsepower.
Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261.
Thank you, Umbrella Man.